Yo, what's up, everybody? We're back here at the shop with Brzezicki Brothers Performance. And we got a couple little things in for the coyote swap that I've been needing. I got a whole list of stuff, little things that I need. But right now we're gonna show you what's going down. So here we have it. It's the coyote swap fox. We got a couple little things, did a couple little mods. So the first one is, we were having trouble with the e-brake cables and stuff. Well, I was trying to get away with not modding the handle. So the first thing is, we modded the handle. We welded it up. Now I know they sell a bracket. A recall piece for the I guess the SN95s and new edges, but works on here and bolts right up with, I guess, a self tapper, but I decided to just weld it up to make it non-adjustable. With the bracket, you could still have this adjustable, and what I'm about to show you, the adjustable cable that I had to get that is recommended when doing the 5-lug swap. Did all disc brakes, mainly the disc brakes set up in the rear. So we ordered a few pieces from LMR that I've been needing. We got the hood pull cable, the hood release cable. This is the adjustable e-brake cable. Now, I could have just ordered this rod, but I didn't want to cut up a perfectly good cable in case I needed it in the future on something, so I just ordered the whole kit. Then we got the latch, the hood latch for the hood, and then some interior door handle bezels. I wanted to get the billet ones, but I wasn't paying 40 bucks for them right now, so I just got the plastic ones because this car had some broken ones, so I needed some. So we're gonna get to the e-brake here soon, and then we also got some sweet windshield banners I'm gonna put on. Got them for the front window. You can put them on wherever. I just did them on a website online real quick. Just something to see what they would turn out to be like. But you can kind of see right now, I don't have no door handle bezels. We got the center console pretty much out. What you need to take out. So yeah, mounted the e-brake handle. Don't have to get a new one. You just cut that spring out of the middle of it. Cut a couple pieces up top off, and then weld it on like you see here. And then I threw some flat black paint on it. So yeah, this is what's going down in the shop right now. I'm gonna take care of a couple things on this, and we're gonna move on to the next project. So keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in. We got more content coming. So till them next videos, peace.